Om Namah Shivaya. Well wishers. In the previous week, I have started yoga, Hada Yoga started. Now, the second time. First time explanation, the previous week, I explained and showed. This is second time, Hada Yoga explanation. Hada Yoga exhibition and explanation I am going to start. It is on behalf of Punya, the Philosophical Research Center. On behalf of this explanation and the Hada Yoga exhibition, on behalf of Punya Philosophical Research Center. Yes, I am going to start. First, I am going to start Sukhasana. How I will show how legs are want to lay, both left leg and right leg. In which manner want to lay, I will show. And breathing also on sitting on a Sukhasana. A breathing exercise. Breathing exercise, that means Brahmana Pranayama. I already explained in the previous class. Once more I am going to repeat that explanation. The Brahmana Pranayama or breathing exercise. Breathing exercise, how we want to take. We want to absorb. Slowly we want to absorb air from outside. Slowly we want to absorb air towards the lungs and remove the slowly we want to remove the air from the chest outside. First we want to slowly we want to take a breath slowly. How much time we take to accept breath from outside, that times double time using slowly we want to omit air from our lungs. Once more I am saying, we want to slowly absorb air from outside towards lungs, and how much time we take for to absorb air from outside, that times double time we want to use to omit air from our lungs outside, or to omit air outside from our lungs. When we absorb air from the outside towards lungs, on that time our chest size want to increase, on that time stomach size want to decrease. I will show which manner we want to absorb air and which manner we want to remove air from our lungs to outside. When we absorb the air from outside, on that time our chest size want to increase, at the same time stomach size want to decrease. I will show how to you should check how you want to check my chest position and my stomach position, because here cold climate, due to that I am wearing this kind of dress due to that. Then also I will show how my stomach size, how my stomach will how stomach will on that time when the breathing take on that time my stomach size I will show like that. I am going to do the exercise, the breathing exercise, Brahmana Pranayama. We have to change. This is Sukhasana position. We want to change our legs position. At first, I joined with my body to the right leg. Now I am going to left leg to my body is near. Then like that change. Another version of Sukhasana. Then also we want to do the Brahmana Pranayama breathing exercise. That's what I am saying. How the Brahmana Pranayama we want to do. Slowly we want to accept breathe from outside towards our lungs. Uh, when yeah, how much time we take for to accept air from outside, that times double time using slowly we remove air from our body to outside. When we absorb air from outside on that time, our chest size want to increase, stomach size want to decrease. When we absorb air from outside towards our body on that time, our chest size want to increase and stomach size want to decrease. That's my. Next I am going to Vajrasana. Do Vajrasana. This is Vajrasana. So you want to sit like that. In both legs, inner side we want to sit like that. Then yeah. Then in this way sitting, then we want to do the breathing exercise. Previously I informed. We want to slowly we want to take air. Then so how much time we take to absorb air from outside, that times double time using, we slowly omit our air from our body towards outside. When we absorb the air from outside to our lungs, towards our lungs on that time, our chest size want to increase, stomach size want to decrease. Next I am going to do Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana also two versions by using a left hand as well, left hand, either left hand or right hand, right leg, left leg or right leg. I am firstly using doing Paschimottanasana by using left leg. Then I will show the right leg using also Paschimottanasana. Now I am going to using the right leg. Then also I am doing another version of Paschimottanasana. Next I am going to do Ardha Merudandasana, two versions. Then I will show the Purna Merudandasana or Merudandasana. Ardha Merudandasana by using left leg. Ardha Merudandasana by using right leg. By using right leg. Next Purna Merudandasana, or we can say Merudandasana. Either we can say Merudandasana or Purna Merudandasana. Once more. Like that. Next I am going to show the Salabhasana. Once So repeating. Today I am going to stop. Next week, oh, repeat the once more. Then also new items also add in this yoga practice. Thank you to all.